Girls got good jobs. Boys used to oppose me at that time. 33% means merit, another 20-25% will come. Then it will exceed 50%. Women ratio is only 50%. You are giving 60, 65, 70 also. I told there was a backlog. Let them compete. I have to fill the backlog first. That is how I used to motivate. Recently I am asking some questions with husband and wife will come. Necessarily both are IT professionals. I used to ask them, what is your salary? First husband, he will tell. What is the salary of wife? 90% wife is getting better salary, more salary from husband. This is very interesting phenomena. And also, one day I asked my secretary to go through ChatGPT. Boys are intelligent, girls are intelligent. ChatGPT has given information. Boys are having left brain, women are having right brain. Naturally, there is a difference between left and right. That is also proven. But some of the areas, now I am talking, once I used to talk about IT, today AI. Every member should use AI or innovate use cases. That is the future today. I have come here, excellent innovations, AI-based cooking, even for home. You can program from remote while coming from office. You can set right. Before reaching home, food is ready. That is where things are happening. At that time, I had so many problems. Even cooking is a big problem for women. First time in the country, I gave gas under Deepam 1. That is the first time in the country. Nobody visualized. At that time I have given. I have seen suffering from my mother also. Today, under Deepam 2, I am giving 3 cooking gases free, so that no woman is suffering lack of money I am cooking. So I am providing this type of facilities now. Now I am planning in a big way Swarnandhra 2047. 2.4 trillion US dollars by 2047. Today only 16 lakh dollars GSTP. Nearly $42,000 equivalent to 58 lakh rupees per capita income. Today around 2,70,000 per capita income. All these things are possible. We are working 15% growth rate continuously. Thereby I am working how to build Andhra Pradesh in a big way. Now 50% anyway, you are all here. 50% of women won't work. You cannot achieve anything. We are very fortunate. Compared to other countries, India accepted women force for working. It is a universal phenomenon now. Compared to America, they won't accept, even today developed country, but India is accepting. Periodic labor force survey, 23-24. 45% women are higher secondary education. 49% are very active workforce. That is the indication. That means men and women, there is no difference. In one word, women are working more harder than men. It is a reality I have seen in life. So I am appealing all of you. Learning is a continuous process. Lifelong you have to learn. Offline, online, continuously you have to upgrade your education. Ali, just now Anakapalli, she has given a very good project. This project, if you see, nearly 200 industries are going to come. 10,000 employment she is going to create. Already there is a good queue from Visakhapatnam. Prospective entrepreneurs, I really appreciate them. I wish all the best. Now we are giving, in a big way, incentives also. Micro enterprise, if you see, it is up to 2.5 crores investment, 5 crore turnover, revised is 10 crores, small is defined, everything is defined now. We are giving 20% incentives for others, whereas women we are giving 45% incentives of your investment. That is where 15 policies I have brought as on today, especially BC, women, among SC, ST, all these things we are having excellent policy. What I wanted to request all of you, tomorrow is International Women's Day. I am launching a program in a big way. How to conduct continuously women empowerment programs. If necessary, I can involve once in 2 months, 3 months continuously. What are all your problems? How to solve your problems? And also how to